good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily, where you find the hottest and the newest DJ plays in the crypto space. My name is Joven, and I feel I found one of the most bullish potential projects for the next bull cycle. On screen we have my channel Meme Coin Daily, 297 subscribers. I'd really appreciate it if you guys could get me to 300 and next stop 400 subscribers. It really help if you guys could like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment down below what project you want me to check out next. But in this video, let's hop right over to DEX Tools, go through the top 10 hottest peers right now. Number one, we have Sir. I covered Sir, trending number one, up 48%. Keep an eye out, y'all. Number two, we have OM. Number three, we have Cult. Number four, we have The. Number five, we have Suka. Number six, we have The. Number 7, X. Number 8, Death. Number 9, SHI, the project that we're going to be checking out in this video. And number 10, Cord. Let's go right to SHI, see what we got. Let's look at this chart, y'all. Hottest number 9. Up exponentially right now. This project, we are up by 224% if you bought anywhere down here. Now, I remember seeing SHI at like 3.5 million market cap. Right now it's at 9.41 million, and a lot of hype, a lot of attention recently came about on the project on crypto Twitter. Now, the reason why I say this could be one of those ones that goes crazy for the next bull cycle is because if we take a look at the chart, look at the bigger picture. When in doubt, zoom out, y'all. If we take a look at the bigger picture, right? This project came out like super early this year, you know what I'm saying? Had a huge run up. I think the all-time high was like 36 million market cap, and then around April, you know what I'm saying, the bear market came in and retraced, but it was just accumulating, going sideways for all these months, y'all. All these months just accumulating, going sideways around the 3 million, 4 million market cap range, and now it's finally starting to move up again. You see that? Imagine what will happen, because this is the thing. Normally when it comes to the degen space, the meme coin space, when a project comes out, it has this huge run, then it retraces, and then it just dies, never to be heard from again. You know what I'm saying? The mere fact that the project has been going sideways, accumulating, holding a steady floor at a nice market cap, and now starting to move up again. And if we look at ETH right now, ETH is at $1,495. It's moving up with ETH. SHI is moving up with ETH. You know what I'm saying? The market is bullish. BTC and ETH are bullish right now. And SHI, hot number 5 now. You know what I'm saying? It's trending right now, guys. Moving up. I wouldn't be surprised how far this project could go in the future. You know what I'm saying? Because a meme coin coming back after all these months of accumulation is bullish. Like super bullish. And yeah, guys, even though this project is a meme coin, it's still a safer bet long term, because like I said, it has been standing the test of time, man. Came out like January of this year, and it's still around coming up to the end of the year, and now it's up 200% now. You know what I'm saying? Typical meme coin launches, goes to like 500k, a mil, maybe 5-10 mil, and then just dies. It's never to be heard from again. This showing strength. We're gonna hop into the website, see what the project is all about. You know what I'm saying? Shina token, a decentralized meme token on the Ethereum blockchain. Our mission is to give back to the crypto community, give to charity, and win the heart of the greatest token of all time, Shiba Inu. And you know what I'm saying, I'm not a furry, guys. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a furry. Let's just make that clear. But if Shiba Inu were ever to see Shina token, I'm sure Shiba would be head over heels. You know what I'm saying? Shina token is new, and we are just getting started. Big things to come. Follow us on social media to learn about the cryptocurrency, hear interesting news, and receive amazing prizes. Okay, I'm gonna have the white paper right here. So they're a charity token. SHIBA Burn Bank provides an incentive mechanism that we hope encourages millions of dollars to be donated to Shared Hope International so they can grow and continue their incredible work of rescuing children and providing for those who are less fortunate. Pretty great stuff, guys. Charity given to Hope International to help children. That's pretty awesome, guys. As donations occur and SHI or SHIB are staked, okay, so you can stake your SHI or SHIB here, they will be burned and staking rewards earned, okay? And then the white paper has all the details for that. And then they have more for breakdown here. For more than 2 decades, Shared Hope International has worked tirelessly to free enslaved women and children around the world from the sex trafficking industry. Oh man, that's crazy, bro. They are a highly esteemed organization and has received Charity Navigator's highest rating of exceptional for many years. So the money that is donated from SHI is going to a highly reputable charity, which is great, guys. Some members of the Shina token core team have been helping Shared Hope International financially for more than a decade. Let's work together to make the world a better place. And right here they have a how to buy breakdown for you guys, the market cap of Shina, the total supply, and Ethereum's price. Ethereum is looking super bullish right now, so the rest of the market is, you know, now would be a great time to look for some degen plays, you know what I'm saying, and find some good plays, because the market is looking super bullish right now. You could get it from obviously you could get Shina from Uniswap. Store, help spread the word about Shina and look great doing it. So they have merch right here available. Nice. NFTs, get beautiful and rare Shina NFT digital collectibles living on the Ethereum blockchain. Okay, you could get the NFTs on OpenSea. Let's take a look real quick for you guys. And right here we have the Shina token NFT collection. Pretty cool stuff. You know what I'm saying? Wholesome. I really like these ones. These are pretty cool. I like those with the different flags. Pretty nice, straight to the point website, guys. Like what I see. Let's hop over to the official Twitter. Guys, see what we got. Shina token. Hi, my name is Shina and I have a crush on SHIBA. No tax. SHIB Club, burnt liquidity pool, 28% of the supply burned. An incredible community, join the movement. Straight to the point. No, you know, no false narratives, no promises that they want to deliver. Straight to the point project. 4,148 followers on Twitter. Right here they have a Shina bot pin showing the price action of Shina and how much Shina has been burned recently. An update right here, our website and white paper have been updated with support for SHIBA token burns in addition to Shina coming soon. Okay, and they have new merch that was added to the store. Cute toys have been added to our store, and I like to see the engagement as well. 75 likes, 24 retweets. You always got to check for that social engagement of the project. Let's check out hashtag SHI and see what we find. Have a tweet right here from Spaceman. I am a SHI maxi now. Send it to 1 gazillion market cap. 24 likes, 3 retweets on that. A tweet from Eric Crypto Man 6 hours ago. Holy SHI, it's time. No fancy lines needed. We're going higher. Huge liquidity and 0% tax. The whales love big liquidity. Sheep's girlfriend is gonna be the talk of crypto Twitter soon. Hey man, I believe it. 1000x from here. Holy crap. Okay. Holy SHI. And we have Dogen replying, are you sure the Maria prophecy didn't go like, and she will moon when a South Park character sends it to the moon? We've been waiting for you, sir. Like I said, guys, very bullish project. Look at this chart. Look at this chart. I could only imagine what happens in a bull market, guys. Another tweet from Crypto Alpha Agent. She is proven to be a very promising hold. She's maintaining a consistent uptrend in valuation against Ethereum. This shows the strength of this token, as nearly all of the tokens across the market are dumping in valuation against ETH. This is special, guys. Keep an eye out. He also tagged PalletJacker60. I have no idea who this is. I'm gonna give them a follow and see what their tweets are like. And you can see steady uptrend against ETH, guys. So imagine when ETH goes back to that 4,000, maybe 5,000-6,000 range for the next bull cycle. What Shina will do. Think about it. 49 likes, 19 retweets. Crypto Alpha Agent, not even that much followers, you know what I'm saying? So the Shina community is definitely strong here. So far, guys, I really love what I see from the project. The chart speaks for itself, and I really like the whole narrative that Shina is SHIBA's girlfriend, you know what I'm saying? I could see it being memeable in the future. Remember, meme coins, it's all about their memeability. You know what I'm saying? Last thing we're gonna check out is the Telegram. See what the vibes is like. 2,273 members in the Shina token Telegram. Not bad at all, guys. And I really like what I see in the Telegram, the community looking very active. She sits with SHIB at top 20. Kill the zero. The hype is there. Hold, we sending. Let me know what you think of the project if you hold Shina. If this is your first time hearing about the project, let me know what you think in the comment section. Let's have a discussion, guys. Let me know what project you guys would like me to check out next. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really helps the channel out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.